Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to work with data types. If you not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. You are going to learn a lot many things in this channel. Let's watch this amazing video. In before tutorial we seen variables, that is what is variable, how we can create variable, what is the usage of variable, everything we'll see in before tutorial. If you missed the tutorial, just go to description and you can find the tutorial, just watch it and finally you can learn what is variable. Now in this tutorial we are going to work data types. Just I'll close this file and I'll create a new Python file, that is Python 3 file. And first of all, I want to know that what is data type. So in every programming language, generally we'll see data types, data types, data types. So why we are using data types? That is, what is the name, meaning of data type? So the name of data types is having data types. That means data will be in different types. Suppose, shall I take, suppose for sometimes I'll write like this, for sometimes I'll write like this, for sometimes I'll write like this. Computer doesn't know what I'm writing, but I know what I'm writing. I'll say this is number, this is name, this is decimal value, this is true or false. Sometimes I'll write in square brackets, like sometimes I'll write in normal brackets. Whatever it may be, I'll write something. Data type means classification or categorizing of different data. So it represents like kind of value that tells what operations can be performed on a particular data. So that is called data type. Now in coming to C, generally we'll use like we'll get definitely we'll get the error, something which was we didn't define anything. Now while coming to, suppose for example, shall I take the C language, we need to write like this. That means it's an integer data which is int, the shortcut, and I am assigning a variable that is data. So it'll make semicolon at the end. So it is the syntax which is there in C language, C sharp, Java, wherever it may be. But coming to Python, so we need not to declare any data type. So just I'll remove this one. We need not to declare any data type. Just I'll print this one. If you give semicolon or not, it's not a problem. Just print A and you can find. So coming to Python, no need to declare any data type. Just we can simply assign a value into variable. Just you can print. That's it. It's like a very simple programming language. That's why everyone says that Python is simple programming language to learn. And we can see what is the type we are using. So I want to know that. Just give like type of A, then it shows like integer. We all first know that is we are using number, of course we can call as integer. The shortcut is int. We can write like this also, like print of type of A. So just I'll run. You can see the class of int, why it was showing the class of int. So why the difference of that without writing and without, I want to say that Python is object oriented programming language, right? Everything will be in classes and objects. So that's why here integer is also class. So in coming future tutorials, I'll explain clearly about classes. No need to worry about it. So will explain very clear information about classes. Now will actually I want to know that how many data types are there in Python. Numbers, and we are having sequence, everything will written in a markdown. No need to worry about this. So in numbers, what is the difference it's having? Like suppose sometimes we are having like integer. So integer, float, complex. So these three things will be there in integer, float, complex in numbers. And coming to sequence, we are having three types, which is string, list, tuple. So first of all, we'll work on numbers, that is integer. Actually, I already shown that is integer. So just it's like a very clear explanation about integer. So now I'll work with float, of course, that is b equal to 3.4.2. Just print type of b, then it shows it's like a float. So I already said it's everything will be in object oriented in Python. That's why it's showing class of float. Just if you, instead of writing this, just write type of b, then what it was shows, we can see that it shows like only float. So that is the difference between a print and without print. Just observe that carefully. And next one is, which is complex. What is meant by complex? I want to know that. So complex means generally we are writing that we are assigning any value. Just I'll take C of complex 1j, then just you can type of C, just type of C. You can see that it's a complex data type. So it's like generally the complex data type will use it in mathematical operations. If you perform any mathematical operations like complex type of expressions, then we can use these data types. Generally will not use, but if you want to work in deeper in programming, then we'll use this type of, it's like based on situation we'll use this complex data type. Next, that is sequence. In sequence data types, they are having three types, which is string, list, and tuple. Just I'll write something which is uh, d equal to 10 and type of d, that we all of us know that it's an, of course, integer. Suppose will I like, shall I make quotations with quotations, we'll see it's like a string. So why it was showing its string? Because we all of us know that 60 is a string, 60 is a number, but it's showing string. Why? Because what we are writing in quotations, everything will consider in Python like a string. Suppose if you write like single quotes or double quotes, whatever it may be, in coming to string in upcoming tutorial, I'll explain very clearly about string. No need to worry about that. So if you write like floating also, then definitely it can shows that it's string. So if you write anything will be in quotations, it call as a string. So now we'll go to next one, that is string. So I think it's very clear. So generally we'll use the strings in like a name is equal to Hari Priya, Hari, so I'll write Hari, and type of name, definitely will get string. So if you write any data in string in quotations, it's takes like a string. So now we'll go to next one, that is list. What is meant by list? Generally we'll know the list, we'll write list in like list of items, we'll write like what you want, like this, right? So what you want, you are writing like this, can be called as list of items. So in Python doesn't know about this, right? So it's take like this is different, this is different, this is different. So we want like it should be in same. Just I'll make like f equal to, so I'll assign it showing this string will be in same. So these items will be like in same variable. So I don't want to print like it's like different things. So just I'll make like, because I want to this in quotations, because I want to make, we all of us know that is its string. So just close this one and just run. So just see that type of a, type of f, sorry, and you can see that it's saying that list. Just write, if you print, it shows like class list. I think it's very clear about list. And next one is tuple. So what is meant by tuple? So actually list, tuple, we are having set dictionary. I'll explain in future with different way. Just I want to say the data types in this tutorial. So now I want to create a tuple, which is, what is meant by tuple? So it's like unchangeable. something is there about tuple. I don't want to say real meaning of tuple here. So why we are using, I'll say actually tuple will write like r equal to, will write like this quotations and will make, so like this will write generally, and type of or. So if you write in this quotation, this brackets which is normal brackets, then it says like tuple. Of course it's tuple. So if you write square brackets, it's in list. If you write this normal brackets, it's like a tuple. Next one is boolean. What is meant by boolean? We all of us know about boolean, that is true or false. Generally, what you can, just I'll make like this, just I'll write 10 1 greater than true, just I'll print it saying that it's false, because it's checking that true or false. Like suppose I'll write print 1 less than true, of course it says the true. So I want to know what is the type of this boolean, so just make this one. So x equal to bool of 5 and print this x. So print type of x, then you can know it shows of course boolean. So bool. So bool means yes or no. So if you are performing yes or no things, we'll use boolean. So it's like one of the data type. And next one is set. What is meant by set? Generally we learn set in mathematics. Same we'll use, that is set equal to, we'll write like in curly braces, so we'll write like something data. So I'm always using this data. You can use numbers, so like this also you can use, like this also you can use, and just make type of set and it will show set. Otherwise just print this one. Of course it's set, it's class of text. So what is dictionary? Of course same like set, but I'll make like dictionary is equal to, it's having two things, that is name and it's having value. So it's like suppose name, so we'll like assign like this, that is name equal to Hari. So actually we'll write like this. So name in quotations, comma, place AP. So just make it showing which was not defined. It should be in quotations because everything will be string in. So of course we need to keep everything in quotations. Now just make type of DIC. Of course it's dictionary. So if you want just print type of, so it shows dictionary. So I think it's very clear about data types. So we are having in Python different data types. I explained every data type here, and what is data type and why should we use data types, everything explained in this tutorial. So I'll come with another tutorial, that is conversion of data types. So I want to convert this data type, this integer, this floating into integer. I want to convert this integer into float by using type conversions. So I want to do more in coming tutorials. Until then, wait.
I hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos, and do like and share also. And if you want to ask any